Hello everybody. So today I'm just gonna show you how to create the home security camera using old phone. So for this we are gonna use this IP webcam. So you need to install on the old device. uh, so I'm using the Vivo phone that is old, which has an issue on its battery. So let's do first sudo net discover. So it will show you all the devices that is connected to the local network. So we have this, right? IP address. So if we do, let's clear our screen. If we do nmap, right? So this is our IP address. Then let's do enter. Now it shows the port 8080 is open. So what we're gonna do is open our browser, right? So and we have this let's remove this and do IP webcam. So this is gonna be the host IP address, and we have enable it. So here you have the function, so you can create this as a webcam, and so you can control the front camera too from here. And it's so it's like that. So we just switch the camera, and we have the night vision also, right? It has this function. So let me just do up, let me overlay. Let's see what can we find. So we have this date, right? And we have the time, and as well as the battery health. We can check it. And so let's do LED flash. So it's like that. So we don't want that. So let's do auto hold focus. So it will try to focus on that, and that's it. So if you want to customize more, right, so you can go here. So you have the motion detection area, you can customize it. So and we have the automatic sensor control as well as the manual sensor control. So we have this option. So if you want the full functionality, right, so you have to use a pro version, but this basic version is also okay for it. So it gives you up to, let's say, the up to 2 hours of recording time, right? And it will save it. So I have these storage on the like 16 GB. So I can take a photo, and we can save the photo to storage, take a focus photo. So that's the option. So thank you guys.